First is, how do I say the sentence? This would be appropriate in this situation in a better way. This would be opposite in this situation. The other ways are, this would be apt in this situation. This would be suitable and right for this situation. This would be pertinent to this situation. This would be germane, appurtenant. This would be fitting. This would be congruous with the situation. The second is something related to melodious voice. How do I say the sentence? Please record the sweet and soothing sound of your family and friends in a better way. The advanced way is, could you please record the dulcet tones of your family and friends? The other ways of saying the same sentence are, could you please record the mellifluous voice, euphonious voice, the lilting voice, the silver-toned voice, the tuneful voice, the melodious voice. The third is how to say the sentence. His reply was too short in a better advanced way. His reply was brusque and to the point. Other ways are, his reply was blunt. His reply was curt. It was a terse reply. His reply was clipped. His reply was short and crisp. It was brisk reply. Thank you.